You're about to watch the Polly Detmers channel. Enjoy.
Here is a piece of pizza from that pizza. Looks great for coming from the oven. I'm not really a big fan of the Hawaiian style. Little lady wanted Hawaiian style. When the little lady wants something, she gets it. So that's what we got. I got some banana peppers on there, Canadian bacon, of course, pineapple tidbits. So we call them tidbits. Sauce. It's actually some cheap Walmart sauce. And the cheese is provolone rounds, and I have some Monterey Jack on there. So let's give it a try. I have to be honest, it's been a little while since I cooked it. Didn't really feel like eating it after I made it, but let's give it a try.
You're watching the Polly Detmers channel. Please like, comment, and subscribe.
It's good. Let's get one more bite. You may have noticed there was a little bit of a tug of war between the teeth and the pizza, because it's got a little bit of toughness. I like a little bit of toughness, but it's got a little bit more than I like. I think that's because when you cook it at a lower temperature, it kind of dries it out a little bit compared to a quick hot cook. This dough is 75% hydration. This dough, I made a lot of dough. It barely fit on that pizza peel. It was a beautiful round pizza, but then I had to like square it off on the sides to make it fit on the peel and also on that steel inside the oven. Yeah, I got the little prep right over here. It's kind of like in a storage mode right now, as well as the slice box, which is in the garage right now. Good pizza. I won't say it's my best. The sauce, I don't really like it as much as the stuff from Meyer, but it's good pizza. I'm Polly. God bless. Till next time.